I've been sewing for a while, but this is the first time I'm actually filming and posting it. So the plan for this is to make something in this kind of vibe. I wanna make more basic pieces. It's the basic pieces that are gonna be used the most. So I'm gonna start trying to make more of like essential clothes. So this first video and project will be to make a boat neck sweater. This lovely pattern, highly recommended. It's from Not Your Cherry Designs. It's really good. Pretty affordable too, and now it's on sale, so that's nice. Let's get started. I'll show you the try on in the end of the video. But yeah, thank you and enjoy. Here you see me take a piece of tape and write the different front and back piece and also the facing front and back piece, because this type of pattern, the pieces look really similar, so you just save yourself a lot of trouble by writing and pasting it on the piece of clothing instead of trying to figure out what is what. First step will be to take the front pieces and pin them together where you see me pinning now, and you'll also do the same with the facing pieces. Okay, I'll try to explain this as best as I can. You take the inner facing, flip it so that the gonna make right sides face each other. So take the facing, flip it, put it inside of the outer, and then make sure the seams are matching. It makes it easier, and then you're gonna start to pin the neckline and sew that. Here I'm just sewing the arms because it doesn't really matter when you do that, but it's nice to get it out of the way. And now after you've sewed the neck hole, I really recommend to mark the right way. And this is a really hard thing to explain, but you're gonna take your hand in between the facing and the outer fabric, get the bottom seam and flip it so that it's touching right sides together, and then you're gonna drag that back in through where you put your hand. Important, do not let go, because yeah, just hold it, pin, and go a little at a time, because I dropped it and flipped it on my own and I had to seam rip because I couldn't flip the fabric back. So yeah, trust me on that. Just hold on to it and pin a little at the time. It's gonna look like it's not right because it's gonna be kind of a infinity shape, but just pin it, sew it, and then you can flip it again. Woohoo! Congratulations, you are done with the worst freaking part. The last thing to do now, I like to sew the facing and right fabric together because it's easier once it's one piece. Bro, I think I'm having a stroke. And then flip the arms so that it's the right way, and put it inside of the armholes, pin it. Make sure the bottom seams under the arm are matching, and then just pin all the way around, sew it, and then you're done. Congratulations, you have a beautiful sweater.